Hello everyone, in this video, we will see how to use Webhook in N8N. First, go to the N8N website or app and click on Add First Step. Then, click on Webhook Call. Here, you will see the test URL and the production URL that you can use to trigger the workflow. Now, select the HTTP method such as delete, get, head, or others depending on what kind of request you expect. After that, enter the path which will be part of the URL used to trigger the webhook. Then, select the authentication method which could be basic auth, header auth, GWT auth, or none if you don't want any. Now, click on Select Credential and then click on Create New Credential. Here, enter the username and password for your webhook if you're using basic auth, then click on Save. After that, select the response behavior, choose whether the webhook should respond immediately or wait until the last node finishes by using the Respond to Webhook node. Once done, go back and check that everything is correctly set up. Your webhook in N8N is now ready to use. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.